Ay ay. Ay ay. Ay ay. Big bumps. I don't know if we're recording. I don't even know what the day is. And I'm not even gonna look. 14th? January 14th? 15th? And it's cold. It's colder than my ride yesterday by far. The wind is super cold. Turn down my music so I can think. Ooh. And kind of talked about this yesterday. My little red race car, that's what I call I have a little Hyundai. It's trying to blow up on me, so it's at the dealership. So I am stuck riding the Spider, which is fine. It is amazing how much cooler it is today. And this road sucks, so we're gonna have to watch this nose. But yeah, I'm running down on base. I gotta pick up some meds, and then I'll head back, get some hot chocolate when I get home. But no, it's an easy ride in. I just come in the back way, and then we'll see how it wants me to go home. Hopefully 35 is gonna be a little quicker, and I can just get on the highway and get back. Oh, check out the moo cow. What up, moo cow? Oh, there's a donkey. A donkey. Lots of moo cows. I don't think I've ever seen cattle in there. Or a donkey. Hey, donkey. We're gonna go slow. Hopefully this dude's turning left into this new development. But we'll see. I'm gonna say no. No. Big old Peterbilt. So we're gonna have a serious talk, people. So the house that my wife and I have bought, it's a fairly new house. It was built in 23, and down here in Texas, they have these little critters called scorpions. And being from Ohio, we don't have scorpions. Now, I'm not... Why is my visor fogging over? I have a pin lock, so that doesn't happen. Like I said, being from Ohio, we don't have scorpions, and I don't understand scorpions, except they are yucky. I don't like them. We found 2 in the house and 2 outside the house, like on the back porch. The other day, my wife was taking a shower, and she felt something on her shoulder, and then she felt something underneath her foot, and yes, it was a scorpion. A scorpion in the shower with her. So why I talk about it being a new house, because I hear, as we're going by this new development with this truck, and that's what got my brain going, I hear that new houses can have scorpions because you disturb the earth and it brings them up, I say, into your house, where they try to eat you alive, right? So yeah, that's a new one on me. So all of you people that have been around scorpions a lot longer than me, scorpions bad. They are bad. We're heading into Cibolo. We looked at a house right there. It was kind of cool. Yeah, and the GPS calls it Cibolo. I forget how it calls it. What are we doing? Turning left. Turning left. But yeah, no, it's pretty cool. This is 1103. Cibolo. That's what it calls Cibolo. It calls it Cibolo. We're gonna go left. Like I said, I gotta pick up some meds. And yeah, there's really not much. We're gonna kind of head back into the city here, so I'm gonna let everybody go. I need makeup? There you go. You can scan that right there for your Mary Kay Enriching Women's lives. There we go. I got that out. I about said lives. Yeah, that's definitely not right. So I will come back. Am I recording? I think I'm recording. I'll come back. Forgot my receipt, people. Ay, ay, ay. I'd forget my face if it wasn't attached. We're on the struggle bus here today, people. Oh, I cannot get my wallet out of my pocket. There we go. You know what? The wallet is not going back in my pocket. Make sure my money stays in. This is what we're doing. Oh my goodness. You guys seeing this crap? I'm on base. Yeah, see? Randolph. We're going to go look at airplanes really quick, and then we're going to find a way home. I don't know how it's going to take me yet, so we're just going to enjoy the ride. Yeah, I swear I know how to ride. I'm not that new at this. Make sure I hit that button. I mean, oh my goodness gracious. Come on. Coming through there like you own the place. Rather than be in front of me than behind me. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, we're gonna come out here. We're gonna go right. Hey, there's a little puppy dog. I've been catching jets flying in all day. Not all day, but I've seen like 6 of them. So where we're going, we're not gonna see him. That big old rock. Scary, a Chevy truck getting towed in. Here you go. Now let's see here. We're gonna go right of the circle. And we're gonna go this way. Love that cool church. And then we're gonna go look for airplanes. Here's some airplanes. I got a really pretty picture of that. I'll put it up. It was during Christmas. And of course it's lit up in red and green, looking gorgeous. So I'll throw that photo in. Love the cool airplanes. And this is a joint base, so like everybody's here. I dig it. Yeah, it's like Army. I don't know if Navy's at this one. I know they're at Fort Sam. And then we have 2 airlines, runways, I don't know. This one that I'm coming up on is where the fast ones are. This is where the jets fly in and fly out. Flight line, that's it. This is Jet flight line. Oh, I see some jets over there. There's a lot of jets here. Oh, look at that, someone else rode in. BMW? Maybe? Honda? ST? Not quite sure. We're gonna catch. We're not gonna catch any. So I guess I'll just go home. We saw airplanes. Here's a little airplane, little baby airplane. We have all the flags flying at half mast still. There's the Ohio State. the state of Ohio flag, and I must have missed it. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Boom. That it right there? We got the little spiky doodads. That if you roll up and over and backwards, they flatten tires. There we go. We got over that, no problem. So this is it. I'm coming off the base. There's a line up here. It says government property. Yep. And talking with my wife, apparently they have runners at gates. It's like, no. Dang, that's a big one. So I'm gonna have to come up here. I want to listen to music, but I got the wrong gloves on. I don't know how to start the music. Can I hit the back button? Hit the front button. There, the music came on. Coop, coop, coop. So on that, I'm gonna let everybody go. We got little airplanes coming in here. I'm on 78. I'm gonna just kick up the highway. Not much to see, so if you could give me a big old thumbs up. Hopefully you kinda got something out of this. Just ramblings from a fat guy in New Braunfels, Texas. Right now I'm in San Antonio. Ride 'em cowboy. I should end that every time. Ride 'em cowboy.